Today, we're unboxing the Husky folding wheel chocks, built to give you extra stability and peace of mind every time you park your trailer. Right away, you'll notice the sturdy carrying case that keeps the chocks protected and organized when not in use. The wheel chocks are neatly packed in their own storage case. It keeps both pieces together, prevents them from getting misplaced, and makes hauling them around simple, perfect for anyone on the go. Here they are, folded flat. This compact design is perfect for saving space, so you can slide them into tight compartments or toolboxes without any hassle. Once you unfold them, you can really tell how durable they are. These are made from heavy-duty metal, ready to take on the weight of RVs, travel trailers, marine trailers, and utility or cargo trailers with no problem. Check out the Husky red powder-coated finish. It's corrosion-resistant to handle outdoor conditions, and the bright color makes it easy to see when your chocks are in place, adding an extra layer of safety. When set in place behind your trailer tires, these wheel chocks give you solid protection against rolling or shifting. Whether you're at a campsite, in your driveway, or on a boat ramp, they help keep your trailer securely in place. Lightweight, compact, and tough, Husky folding wheel chocks are an essential safety upgrade for any trailer owner. They're built to last, easy to store, and designed to keep your setup secure wherever you park.